Guess who? Hello, it is me, Miss Wesson. I am here to read you a book. I'm not going to read the entire book. I'm going to read the first chapter of the first series of Shaquille O'Neal's book series, Little Shaq. All righty, are y'all ready? Shaquille O'Neal, Little Shaq. The first chapter is Slam Dunk. Little Shaq dribbled the basketball, bouncing it up and down. He moved his feet from side to side. His sneakers squeaked against the court. "Come on, Little Shaq, pass me the ball," his cousin Barry shouted. Barry's voice sounded far away. The giant clock was down to 5 seconds. If Little Shaq scored this basket, his team would win the game. "I'm open! I'm open!" Barry yelled. Little Shaq took a deep breath. The clock ticked down. 3, 2. Little Shaq's friend, Walter Skipple, raised his hand to block the ball, but he wasn't fast enough. With one quick leap, Little Shaq shot the ball. It went in. Swish! The ball slid through the net just as the buzzer sounded beep. And look, his team won. Little Shaq was so proud. His teammates was proud of him. But his friend Barry was upset. "Nothing but net," Little Shaq shouted. "We won." "Great shot, Little Shaq," said Walter. "Next time, you're on my team." Little Shaq looked around the gym to say "good game" to Barry, but he couldn't find him anywhere. "Nice effort, everyone," Coach Macon said. "See you all here tomorrow." So I wonder how Barry feels. Little Shaq ran to get his backpack from the bench. His next door neighbor, Rosa Lindley, was sitting in the bleachers. "Did you see where Barry went?" he asked her. Rosa looked up from her book of puzzles. She shook her head. "No." Little Shaq sighed. Whenever Barry left the game by himself, he was mad about something. Outside, Barry kicked at the dirt along the edge of the rec center's dried-up garden. He was waiting for Nana Ruth to pick them all up. "There you are, Barry," Little Shaq called. So we're going to stop right there. That's chapter 1. And we will finish next time. But if you do not have Shaquille O'Neal's series of books, Little Shaq, you should try them. So we'll see. You think about what you think what happened, and if Barry's mad at Shaq and how things went after that. All righty. Hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.